Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum 400. In this video I'll show you how to manage spatial audio. In the beginning, go to JBL Quantum engine. Now enter spatial audio, and now you can select between JBL Quantum Surround. Now you can adjust its mode between balance, precise and immersive. You can change channel. You can enable advanced mode, change head diameter or reset settings. Next you can enable DTS mode or you can disable spatial sound. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.